The next one for your viewing pleasure is how do you strip the main shaft down? How do you get this bearing off and how do you get this bearing off here? Easy. Yeah, so what you want is a good old-fashioned bearing splitter. Put that down there, put it onto the first gear. Now, be careful of this because all the gears are going to come down, but hold it underneath and don't let the third and fourth synchro come off. And now you can see why an air over oil machine is kind of useful. That's the bearing come out. Alright, wait a minute. Not the end of the world. So we took that bearing off here, non-destructively, and we got that and that off in one big piece. That and that and that. And what we're going to do now, we're going to cable tie these together. Always cable tie them together, because sometimes it could be weeks between getting, or looking for what you need, and then the parts arrive. So what we're going to do is just going to cable tie these together so they're all in order with the original shim. I do not like these cable ties here because they're serrated at both sides, so you don't know really which side is which. So now we're going to slide out all these gears here and that bearing, keep them all in order if they will. So there's your synchro, there's your, what's that, that's second gear, and these are in really top-notch condition. I don't know why we're rebuilding it, to be honest, but never mind. I mean, look at those synchros. They're just like I put them in, isn't it? So now, getting this bearing off, get this bearing off here, well, you've guessed how we're going to do it. We're going to do it back in here again. Now for this, once we've got that clamped in, I just use a little regular socket to push that out. And of course, I haven't got one here. Right, to get the third and fourth synchro off, without it pinging off and going all over the place, we just put it in the press now. Support the gear. There's a little, a large piece on the shaft. Don't get it caught around there, we'll have a lot of trouble. So just put it on the gear itself. Move that central. Little socket. Hold the shaft, hold your shaft. And away. So that's that. Okay. Now, you can see there's a bearing on there. Take the bearing off. Lift this assembly off. Bearing upside down. Like that. Might as well have a look over it. I haven't got much room to film today, so I've got stuff everywhere. And then we're going to put a cable tie all the way through those. That is looking really nice, that. I don't know why they want it rebuilding, really, to be honest. I can't believe it. And there we go. That's it. There's no damage to that shaft at all. Looks pretty good. That would live again. But that's how we do those.